Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make a new Steam account. First of all, you need to go to the Steam page and click on Login. Then you need to click on Join Steam. Here you need to input your email address. Then prove that you are not a robot. Then scroll to the bottom and confirm that you are 13 years or older. Then click on that you are 16 years of age or older. Then you will receive an email notification to verify your email. Here you can input your account name, whatever you want to be called. Then choose a password. Then click on Done. And that is it. You have created a Steam account. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like.